Hello! This presentation covers proximity truncation and connectors. Proximity searching tells a database how close to each other and in what order you want terms to appear. Proximity truncation can be used to reduce false drops, irrelevant results, and focus searches. It is particularly useful for searching in full-text databases, which have records with many words and/or lengthy abstracts but limited subject indexing. Proximity connectors vary by database, so your first step should always be to peruse the prosheet or help documentation. Near is the most common proximity operator, but you will also find pre, same, and within depending on the platform. Here are examples and how to use proximity truncation for 4 common database platforms. Near searches for terms within so many words of each other. This operator is used in multiple databases. In ProQuest Dialog, a near search can be formatted in 2 ways, spelled out or using just the first letter. It can be used with or without numbers. Near alone will retrieve terms within 4 words. So n/0 or near/0 will retrieve phrase terms in any order with no terms in between, including variations. In Web of Science, near is spelled out. In this platform, using near without the /number will find records with the terms within 15 words of each other, making the search salmon near virus the same as salmon near /15 virus. It's also important to note that Web of Science does not allow Boolean operators with the near operator in the same query. Taylor and Francis databases use a unique format with quotation marks and a tilde to indicate the maximum number of words apart. The pre-connector specifies that the first term must precede so many words before the second in that exact order. Again, in ProQuest Dialog, pre can be spelled out or just use p, and using it without a number will retrieve up to 4 intervening words. So this example, cancer pre/0 research, will look for the exact order with any term variations. Same is a proximity operator used in Web of Science. It restricts searches to terms that appear in the same address within a full record. Parentheses must be used to group the address terms. Searching for parentheses Portland same Oregon parentheses finds records in which Portland, Oregon, with the state spelled out or abbreviated, appear in the address field of a record. In all other field searches, same will function as a Boolean and, which means that the search parentheses cat same mouse end parentheses will give you the same results as parentheses cat and mouse end parentheses. The within proximity connector is used by EBSCO. Basically, it's their version of pre. Within searches for the order in which you enter them. So tax W8 reform results would match tax reform, but not reform of income tax. Compare this to the near search example from EBSCO, tax N5 reform, which would find tax reform as well as reform of income tax. As you can see from the various examples, proximity truncation formatting depends on the database. So I want to reiterate, always use the prosheet or help documentation to help you plan a proximity truncation search. This is the end of my presentation on proximity connectors. Thank you for watching.